Okay, so
Brian gave away Grandma's recipe.
so
He
Brian
said
said
you make
start
a bed of sauerkraut.
like this. This is silver
Just like
floss,
that.
by the way.
Yeah.
That's the best.
The best of the
That's
best.
the best of the best. No GMO, no preservatives. The
He
best
said
of all.
you cook this by itself for a minute, and you let it warm up.
And what did he say about Grandma? And not,
He
don't
said-
do like Grandma?
Yeah,
Like,
he said Grandma doesn't cook it but for 25 minutes, and I think I overdid it. But I was telling him I needed the
you want to
sausage.
slow, he's saying slow cook. He
Yeah.
says cook it longer, Grandma.
Cook it longer than Grandma.
Derek doesn't want to. Well,
Derek
Derek's going around the
is full.
side for a reason because I told him, when we're open, go through the side lot. So Derek is over there. I'll bet Derek got into it.
So he said, while I'm cutting up my sausage, I let that stuff bake by itself.
This Brian.
Brian, yeah.
Brian's a talented man.
He said cut it in little pieces. So he was teaching me all this.
Now the game plan for Brian, so everybody knows why we got some dead time on space. He's willing to do powers of attorney. So we're trying to do structured environments.
Yep.
Derek ran away from, he did detox for a few days, and when he's back here, he's doing good. And this stuff, that couldn't come at a better time. I wonder how they knew.
Yes.
Did we say that? Did you say you're going to do, Brett? How did they know that?
I had a discussion with one person today.
But we
and
didn't
it
go
wasn't
on.
Erica.
We didn't go online.
No. That's what I'd like to know. How did we?
I wouldn't want to be their kids. They know everything. These women.
I didn't post
Erica,
no video.
yeah, they can read our minds.
It was probably, some people are very observant, and I think they hear stuff that
They know what's
me or
going
you
on.
don't hear. Obviously, someone else, two people heard the same message.
That's right.
Me and you didn't hear
Now,
it.
what we're doing here is because we're concerned about Dave. Dave, his sleep patterns. He's older, so he'll get up in the middle of the night. I was just telling offline here. We were trying to wake him up. I'd let him sleep. We can put this aside. He can eat it later on. I can put it inside, take it back out, microwave it, whatever. But Guitar Dave's over there sleeping. Now he'll wake up. I'll look out the window and I check throughout the night. If I wake up, he's up there just for a few minutes or whatever, and his sleep patterns are more erratic than the rest. So during the day, he gets his nap.
Jimmy does the same thing too, periodically.
Yeah.
You'll see him, he'll take a nap here and there. That's how they recharge. Recharge him. Okay. This
Is that enough, or you want some hot dogs
No,
for that,
that's
or is this how you
perfect.
want to do it? You got it on
Brian
low,
said
or
at this time you turn the heat up, so you crank it all the way. Then, what I did last time for this batch was I let it. I honestly cooked it. I can tell you,
you can double that plate up too. What?
an hour.
Okay, an hour. This
1
one.
hour. I cooked that last about 45 minutes.
Double the plate up, and then
Yeah, double the plate up and keep it covered just in case he gets awake.
here's Brian. I can't believe he ate it all. I cannot believe it.
Are you coming back for seconds?
I'm gonna ask
See
him if
if
he
we-
ate it.
Okay.
Did you eat it all? No, he gave it to Derek.
Well, man,
Derek got it.
I gave some to Derek.
No.
Mom, put the rest out to the animals. I gotta feed God's animals. You know this, Mike.
I was telling him there ain't
Did
no
it
way you're
taste
gonna eat
like
all that.
grandma's?
Actually, yeah, really close.
Did Derek get some of that?
Did I cook better than Mike?
Yes. Everybody cooks better than mine.
Brother, he's
Okay,
trying to
good.
get me against
Well,
Teresa, okay?
you can tell
So-
me later.
All right.
All right.
So now I got another
He's
rival.
trying to get me against Teresa.
I've never won against Teresa, and you've always held out.
Well, yeah.
If you shared some of Grandma's recipes with him, maybe he'd cook it for you.
That I won't do.
Right.
You did good on that recipe, though, Brian.
That
Well,
one was a winner.
actually, Jay helped me.
Right. You did a lot too. Besides, let someone else get to it too soon. I just wanted to overcook it.
He was
So,
hungry.
Brian, did he get enough to eat? Did he get some of that too?
Yeah, he
You got
got
something.
some. He
Right,
said
right.
he was full, so I'm feeding this to the rest of the animals.
So
And if they like sauerkraut, God bless them animals.
A little German squirrel.
It might be.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
I sprechen Sie Deutsch. Or do you speak a sprinkle of douche?
I don't know. I know how to say I love you. Ich liebe dich.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch does mean, do you speak German or French?
Neither.
My grandmother knew how to do it, but damned if she taught me how to speak it in both languages.
Right.
She never did, and I never tried to pick it up.
It's a good thing. You could have tried. You still can.
Well, I know I can.
There's books and audios.
I know, bro. If I go, I'm going back to my homeland.
And you'll never come back here.
Who knows?
Hey, what we did,
Might come back and teach others.
since that lady sent more, I'm just cooking it now. And then we'll put it, we'll let it cool down and put it in a Ziploc. Then you can heat it up whenever you want it.
Let's go, sure. Thank you. Thank you, young lady. I really appreciate it.
I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
I said, thank you, young lady. Really appreciate it.
There's two ladies though that
There's
looked
two.
out
They did
for it.
one
Oh,
to deliver.
yeah,
And your
actually.
secret you got a
there's
secret
another one.
admirer.
Thank you, too, young lady.
You got a secret
From
admirer.
the Sure.
You want? Oh, you. Yeah,
Must
I know.
be your
we keep getting-
haircut. They're on it. Even Teresa said you looked hot today.
Hey, brother, it was your fault.
I had to get your haircut. You're hanging out with
No,
me.
you didn't.
Yeah, we gotta look like some young studs.
You looking good, Brian.
I'm beyond the young stud.
Yeah, you are.
But that's all right. I know Mike said there's young ladies that say they're out there looking at me and say they got thick hair and all this.
They're jealous.
I don't care. You don't know. I don't mean I don't care with them. I'm saying I don't care how thick my hair is. I'm just me.
You wish it was thin?
No.
See?
What
You're
I'm
great.
saying, Jay, is I am just me. I'm
Amen.
me, myself, and I. You know, I'm not looking like James is for fame and fortune. You know what I'm saying? Like he always says, oh, I'm famous. You know, hey, I'm glad you guys know me. Thank you very much and love you and praise God for all of you. I really love that.
You've always,
Please keep looking out for me. I appreciate it. And any books, please send them to me.
What kind?
I don't care.
Books.
you like West,
Detective Westerns. Hey, if you know Clive Cussler, I love his books.
I think you have every one of him.
Yeah,
Almost.
he got. He's got.
Yeah, there's only 30 books he wrote.
Yeah, there's 30
I
books.
think you
that
got
he
every
wrote.
one.
No, I always got
But
just
you don't
a
have his
little
autograph. That would be cool.
small. Don't get me there.
Then you're gonna be a collector.
Oh, I'll definitely be a collector. I got Barry Sanders. His shirt off his back in the locker room. Had a back pass. And signed by him. And it's never been washed, and it's in a plastic bag hanging in my closet at my sister's house.
Nice.
Yeah.
Break that one out.
No, not yet.
Or frame it.
It's not old enough yet.
True. You gotta wait another 20
I
years.
gotta find out how much it's gonna be worth.